Wow, what is that?
Oh.
Hey fish, where are you? Hello, my name is red-tailed catfish. Red-tailed catfish are predatory freshwater fish. If these natural instincts kick in, then some may argue that they are quite aggressive. This catfish can reach 5 feet (1.5 meters) or more in length and can weigh up to 180 pounds (82 kilograms), making them a favorite game fish in their native habitats. Wow, what is that?
Oh.
Let me introduce to you. This is the caveat fish, or Lempam barbonomus schwanenfeldi. This fish is a type of freshwater fish belonging to the Cyprinidae tribe, relatives of carp. The caveat fish is widespread in mainland Southeast Asia and western Indonesia. Wow, what is that?
Oh.
Hello, my name is Synodontis catfish.
Synodontis is the largest genus of mechochid catfishes. It is the biggest genus within the 10 genera and 190 different species in the family Mechochidae. Synodontis has over 131 different species within the genus. Wow, what is that?
Oh.
Trichogaster fasciata, the banded gourami, or striped gourami, or kalisa, or kolsch, is a tropical labyrinth perch found in some Asian countries like Bangladesh, Eastern India, Northeastern India, Nepal, Upper Myanmar, China, and Pakistan. This is a beautiful view of the aquarium, decorated by colorful fish that are soothing to the eye. Come on, pet them! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.